Hey everyone, welcome back to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla, and this is Roscoe. Roscoe is joining us today for an unboxing of the Bullymake Box. What is Bullymake? Well, it is a subscription box for dogs, and it is for the power chewer. For the dog that tears up everything the moment you give it to him. That's what this box was designed for. What's in the box? Well, let's see. Normally, what they put in the box, depending on the size of your dog, is 2 to 3 toys for the power chewer, really tough toys, and 3 to 4 types of dog treats. So this is the April box. There's a lot of things in there. They do send this box to us free for our review because we do have a lot of dogs on our farm. And now that my daughter and her husband moved back from Virginia, we have Roscoe as well. Here's a little monthly giveaway they have. I'll leave that right there for a second so you can take a picture and use that. We do have a coupon code. I will link it right down here. If you find at the end of this that you're interested in that box, you can go to their website and use my code. You will get $10 off your purchase. This is the April Bullymake box, and they have they feature 2 toys in here, and the prices of the toys are generally the price of the box. The box starts out at $39 a month, but you can buy monthly subscriptions for a little cheaper. I think if you buy 6 months, it ends up being $34 a month. These are USA made, and let's go ahead and get into the toys. The first toy, you know what? I don't know what their theme is. This is the Pawnade. It says it's made in USA and can be filled with treats that channel the energy of problem chewers. Because USA K9 donates these toys to the military working dog team that support association and to organizations that pair returning veterans with service and companion dogs. That's why they love this toy. So, USA K9. That's really cool. This is $17. This one is $18, and it is a PawPeller. It is a unique shape that has 3 different ends for the dogs to chew on. So, and it has 3 different textures, and it is USA made nylon. What we have in here now are 3 sets of treats. So this is cute. So this is made in the USA. This is the Bullymake peanut butter dog rations. Isn't that cool? So we'll see if Roscoe likes these. Oh, they smell like peanut butter. Do you not like peanut butter? And he's gonna go eat it somewhere else. The next one is Bullymake Quack tenders. It looks like it's got a bird dog up there. These are these like little jerky pieces, I think? Oh yes, they're like little jerky sticks. What do you think of this one? You like that one? You like that one? Okay, he likes that one. And then the last treat is Dogs Love Snap Peas. And this is baked. So these are air baked, these are crispy baked peas with chicken flavor. So they're all natural baked. They have Dogs Love Kale, which we have. And let's see. I'm not sure, but let's see what he thinks of the peas. Do you like that one, Roscoe? Do you like that one? Huh? So, I think that that's a great box. If you're interested, you can go to bullymake.com, check out all of their information. I'll leave our links down below. If you're interested in getting a discount, you can use it. If not, no big deal. Just go to their website and check them out and see what you think. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, me and Roscoe, while we try out the toys and the treats. What do you think, Roscoe? Do you want to try this? So there's what was in the Bullymake box for April. Roscoe is right down there. He's like, give me some treats. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. Come back and see us again. Mwah.